Hello my dear students, myself Vishal Virani and today we are going to discuss about the class 12 statistic part 2 and lesson number 1. Lesson number 1 is that probability, okay? Probability. So in this lecture today we are going to solve the illustration number 9 to 22, illustration number 19 to 22, okay? So we are come on to the illustration number 19. Illustration number 19 is that a number is a randomly selected from the first 50 natural number. Yes, a number is randomly selected from the first 50 natural number. Yes, and find the probability that is multiple of 2 or 3. 2 or 3 means or means union. Yes, there is a 2 event. Suppose there is a 2 event. Event A is the selected number is multiple of 2. Yes, and suppose event B is the selected number is multiple of 3. Yes, then we have to find the union of event A and B. Yes, and by which method? By the law of the addition of the probability. Okay, now okay, chalo, and we have to select number out of first 50 natural number. Yes, the number of the sample space will be 50. Yes, we have to select a number from first 50 natural number. Yes, thus our sample space U is equal to 1 to 50. Yes, and natural number it will be. Okay, and how many it will be? N is equal to 50. Yes, our number of total possible outcome is equal to 50. Okay, now we have to select a number which is multiple of 2 or 3. Yes, suppose there is event A. Suppose event A is that selected number is multiple of 2. Okay, selected number is multiple of 2, so that our event A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8 ... 50. Yes, and how many number of the favorable outcome of the event A? Yes, then number of favorable outcome of event A. Yes, and it is denoted by M. Number of the favorable outcome M is equal to how much? The element of the event A is the 2, 4, 6, 8 and 50. Yes, so we can calculate it by total number is 50. Yes, 2. Okay, so it will be 25. Yes, and we can see that 2, 4, 6, 8 and 50. So the number of the element of the event A is the 15. Yes, so the favorable outcome of the event A is equal to 25. Okay, so the probability of the event A, we can find the probability of event A. Yes, probability of the event A is equal to M by N. Yes, M is equal to 25 and N is equal to 50. Yes, M is equal to 25. Okay, so the probability is that 1 by 2 of event A, and event E is that selected number is multiple of 2. Okay, now suppose the event B, suppose event B is selected number is multiple of 3. Okay, so the element of the event B is equal to multiple of 3 means 3, 6, 9, so on. How it will be? 48, Yes, last one is the 48 because 16 multiplied by 3 is equal to 48. Okay, so the number of the favorable outcome of the event B, number of favorable outcomes of event B. Yes, and it is also denoted by M. Yes, how many number of the favorable outcome in the event B? Here total number is 50. Yes, so 50 and divided by 3, so it is equal to 16 point something. Yes, 16 point something. So the number of the favorable outcome will be 16. Clear? It is shortcut method. Okay, now we have to find the probability of event B. P of B is equal to M by N. M is equal to 16 and N is equal to 15. Yes, so it is equal to 8 upon 25. Clear? This is the probability for event B. Okay, but we have to select a number which is multiple of 2 or 3. Okay, so we have to select. Okay, first of all, we write the selected number is multiple of 2 and 3, not 2 or 3. Okay, selected number is multiple of 2 and 3. Okay, 2 and 3. 2 and 3 means intersection, and means the intersection of event A and B, and or means the union of event A and B. Yes, selected number is multiple of 2 and 3, and it is LCM of 2 and 3. And what is the LCM of 2 and 3? It is equal to 6. Yes, it means selected number is multiple of 2 and 3 is multiple of 6. Multiple of 6 means 6, 12, 18. Yes, 6 is multiple of 2 and 3. Then 12 is also multiple of 2 and 3. Then 18 is also multiple of 2 and 3. Yes, so the selected number is multiple of 2 and 3 is the LCM of 2 and 3, and the LCM of 2 and 3 is equal to 6. Yes, so that event intersection of event A and B. Yes, here multiple of 2 and 3, and means the intersection. So that intersection of event A and B is equal to selected number is multiple of event A and B. Clear? Okay. So it will be multiple of 6. Yes, LCM of the 2 and 3 is equal to 6. So the selected number is multiple of event A and B is the multiple of 6, and the multiple of 6 means 6, 12, 80, and here last one is the 48. Yes, okay. Now how many favorable outcome in the intersection of event A and B? Number of favorable outcome of intersection of event A and B is equal to, how we can find it? There is total 50 number. Yes, and there is a number is multiple of 6 means the 50 upon 6. Yes, so 8 multiplied by 6 is equal to 48. So the answer is 8 something. Yes, so our number of the favorable outcome of the event intersection of event A and B is equal to M is equal to 8. Okay, now we can find the probability of the intersection of event A and B. Yes, probability of the intersection of event A and B is equal to M by N. Clear? Where M is equal to 8 and N is equal to 50. How it will be? M is equal to 50. Clear? Okay, chalo. So it is 4 by 25. 4 by 25. Clear? Okay, now but we have to find, our task is that selected number is multiple of 2 or 3. Yes, selected number is multiple of 2 and 3. Okay, yes. Now selected number is multiple of 2 and 3, so it is called as the A union B. Yes, for and union and for or selected multiple number is 2 or 3. For or there is a union and for and there is a intersection. Yes, so we have to find the probability of A union B, and it is equal to, from the law of the addition of the probability, is that probability of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B and minus P of A intersection B. Okay, what is the probability of event A? Probability of the event A is equal to 1 by 2. Yes, then the probability of the event B is equal to 8 by 25. Yes, minus probability of the intersection of event A and B is equal to 4 by 25. Yes, so there is the LCM is equal to 50. Yes, so there is a 50 and here multiply by 25, here multiply by 2 means 16, here multiply by 2 is equal to 8. Okay, so our answer is that 16 minus 8 is equal to 8 and 25 plus 8 is equal to 33. Yes, so it is equal to 33 upon 50. Yes, so this is the probability of union of event A and B. Yes, so the probability of the selected number is multiple of 2 or 3 is equal to 33 by 50 is equal to 33 by 50. Clear? Write down it. Okay, done. Now we are coming to the question illustration number 20. Illustration number 20 is the one card is randomly selected from a pack of 52 cards. Yes, we have to select one card from the pack of 52 cards. Okay, so how many possible outcome here? Possible outcome is equal to 52 cards. Yes, 52. Yes. Okay, here we have to select one card out of 52 cards. Yes, so that total number of possible outcome and it is denoted by n. Yes, n is equal to 52. Okay, now find the probability that the selected card is a first event is that selected card is a club or queen card. Yes, first event. Okay, first event is the selected card is club or queen card. Club or queen. Club or means the union. Yes, if we give the event name A is the selected card is a club, event A is the selected card is a club, and event B is the selected card is a queen. Yes, event A is that selected card is club and event B is the selected card is queen. Yes, then we have to find the probability of union of event A and B. Yes, because here or. Okay, so suppose event A is equal to selected card is a club card. Okay, and event B is equal to selected card is a queen. Yes, okay. Now we have to find the probability of the selected card is club or queen card. Yes, but our event is the club. Selected card is club or queen. Okay, first of all we find the probability of event A. then we find the probability of event B, yes, and then we find the probability of the intersection of event A and B, yes, and we can find the probability of event of union of event A and B, yes, by the law of the addition of the probability. Okay, but here first of all we have to find the probability of the event A. Here I can write event A is equal to selected card is a club card, means it will be club card A, club card 1, so dot club card J, club card queen and club card K. Okay, and how many there is a total favorable outcome? It will be 30. Yes, club card, total number of the club card is equal to 30. So the favorite number of favorable outcomes of event A is equal to how many it will be? 30. Yes, for event A, M is equal to 13. Okay, now event B is the selected card is a queen. How many queen in the 52 cards? 4 queen. Yes, so the event B, sample point of the event B is equal to queen of the club, yes, then the queen of the diamond, yes, then the queen of the spade card, yes, sorry, and then the queen of the heart card. Yes, so there is a total number of the favorable outcome of the event B. M is equal to 4. Yes, so we can write that number of favorable outcomes of event B is equal to 4. Yes, now we can find the probability of the event A and B. Yes, so that probability of event A and B, yes, is equal, probability of event A is equal to P of A and is equal to M by N. Okay, what is the favorable outcome? How many it will be for event A? Event A is equal to 30 and the total number of the possible outcome N is equal to 52. Yes, so it is equal to 1 by 4. Clear? Now probability of event B is equal to P of B and is equal to M by N. How many number of favorable outcome for event B? It is equal to 4. Yes, so 4 upon 52 and it will be okay, we can write as it is 13 upon 52 and the 4 upon 52. Clear? And now the probability of that event A and B, probability of the event A and B means the selected card is club and queen. Okay, selected card is club and queen. Club and queen. Okay, club and queen means क्लब भी होना चाहिए और क्वीन भी होना चाहिए. तो how many favorable outcome for this event when we select a card is a club and queen? 1. Yes, first of all एक तो क्या होना चाहिए, क्लब कार्ड होना चाहिए और क्वीन होना चाहिए. एंड मीन द इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ इवेंट ए एंड बी. यस, एंड मीन्स द इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ इवेंट ए एंड बी. And it is equal to intersection of event A and B means the common element between the event A and B. Common element is that CQ and CQ. Yes, so the common element is the CQ and the how many number of the favorable outcome for the selected card is club M and N. It is equal to 1. Yes, M is equal to 1. Yes, so that M is equal to 1. So we can find the probability for this event. Yes, P of intersection of event A and B is equal to M by N. M is equal to 1 and N is equal to 52. Clear? Okay. But we have to find the selected card is club or queen. Selected card is club or queen or means the union. Yes, so we have to find the probability of union of event A and B. Yes, and we can find it from the law of the addition of the probability. Clear? Done? Okay. But our task is that selected card is club or queen. Yes, so we have to find the probability of A union B, and what is the formula for it? Probability of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B and minus P of intersection of event A and B. Put the value of P of A. P of A is equal to 13 by 52 is equal to 13 by 52. Then P of B is equal to 4 by 52. Yes, then the P of A intersection B is equal to 1 by 52. Yes, so value is the 13 plus 4 is equal to 17. 17 minus 1 is equal to 16 by 52. So it will be 18 by 26. Yes, and also it will be 4 by 13. Clear? Okay, so this is the probability of our union of the event A and B. Yes, this is the probability of that selected card is a queen, is a club or queen. Okay, now second event is that neither a club or nor a queen card. Yes, event is that neither a club nor a क्वीन कार्ड. ओके, इवेंट 1 है वो क्या है कि हमारा जो कार्ड है वो क्लब और क्वीन होना चाहिए, और इवेंट बी क्या है, हमारा जो कार्ड है वो क्लब और क्वीन नहीं होना चाहिए. तो इवेंट ये दूसरी इवेंट है वो पहले इवेंट की क्या है, कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री इवेंट है. यस, सो वी कैन राइट दैट नाइदर अ क्लब और नॉर अ क्वीन कार्ड इज इक्वल टू probability of event A and B dash. Yes, probability of event union of event A and B is that probable selected card is a club or queen card. Yes, but now we have to select a card which is neither a club nor a queen card. Yes, so this event is the complementary of the event 1. Yes, and here we can find the probability of A union B. Yes, and now we have to find the probability of the complement of the union of event A and B. Yes, and it is equal to 1 minus P union of event A and B. Yes, and the probability of the union of event A and B we already know it is equal to 4 by 13. So our answer is 30 minus 4 upon 30, and it is equal to 9 by 30. Clear? So this is the probability of event A union B dash. Done? Write down it. Done? Okay? Okay, and now we are going to solve the illustration number 22. Illustration number 22 is that a probability that a person from a group of read newspaper X is a 0.55. Yes, okay, probability of the read of newspaper X is equal to 0.55, and the probability of the read of the newspaper Y is equal to 0.69. Yes, here, sorry, okay, the probability that the person from a group of read of newspaper X is 0.55 and the probability they read the newspaper Y is 0.69. Yes, and the probability that read both the newspaper X and Y is 0.27. Then find the probability that a person selected at a random from this group. Okay, we have to find the probability for these three events. Event 1 is that read at least one of the newspaper X and Y. Read at least one of the newspaper from the X and Y. कम से कम एक न्यूज़पेपर है वो तो रीड करना ही है. वो X भी रीड कर सकता है, वो Y भी रीड कर सकता है, और वो X and Y दोनों भी रीड करता होगा. Clear? So this event is called as the union of event A and B. Yes, why? At least one of the newspaper X and Y they read at least one. कम से कम एक रीड न्यूज़पेपर है वो रीड करता होगा वो. ओके, तो वो X भी रीड करता होगा. का तो ओनली वाई रीड करता होगा और वो बोथ एक्स एंड वाई दोनों रीड करता होगा, तो दिस इवेंट इज डिनोटेड बाय यूनियन ऑफ इवेंट ए एंड बी. यस, सपोज इफ द इवेंट ई is that person read a newspaper X, okay, and event B is the person read a newspaper Y. Okay, so in the first question we have to find the probability of the union of event A and B. Okay, and second question is that does not read any of the newspaper X and Y. वो X और Y दोनों में से एक भी पेपर है वो रीड नहीं करता है. क्लियर, यहाँ पे वो X भी रीड करता होगा, Y भी रीड करता होगा और X और Y दोनों भी रीड करता होगा. लेकिन सेकंड क्वेश्चन है, ये पहले क्वेश्चन से उल्टा है कि दोनों में से एक भी पेपर है वो रीड नहीं करता है. यस, दोनों में से एक भी पेपर है वो रीड नहीं करता है. तो ये इवेंट हमारी कौन सी इवेंट हो गए कि पहली इवेंट की कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री इवेंट है. यस, सो दिस इवेंट इज डिनोटेड बाय A union B dash. So we have to find the probability of the complementary of event A union B. Okay, now third question is that read only one of newspaper X and Y. Yes, X newspaper X and Y में से वो सिर्फ एक ही न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ता होगा. तो यहाँ पे दो पॉसिबिलिटी है. कौन कौन सी है? को वो तो सिर्फ X पढ़ता होगा और Y नहीं पढ़ता होगा. ओके, X इवेंट को हमने जब वो न्यूज़पेपर X पढ़ता है तो उस इवेंट को हमने A किया हुआ है, और जब वो न्यूज़पेपर Y पढ़ता है तो उस इवेंट को हमने B की कहा हुआ है. ओके, तो सपोज वो X न्यूज़पेपर X पढ़ता है, वो न्यूज़पेपर X रीड करता है और न्यूज़पेपर Y रीड नहीं करता है. ओके, सो दिस इवेंट इज डिनोटेड बाय वो A न्यूज़पेपर रीड करता है लेकिन वो B न्यूज़पेपर है वो रीड नहीं करता है. सो इट इज डिनोटेड बाय A इंटरसेक्शन B डैश. क्लियर? ओके, दूसरी कंडीशन भी आ सकती है कि वो सिर्फ Y पेपर है वो रीड करता है लेकिन X पेपर है वो नहीं रीड कर सकता है. यस, सो वी कैन डिनोटेड बाय इवेंट B होती है लेकिन इवेंट A वो नहीं होती है. यस, एंड वी हैव टू पुट द इंटरसेक्शन. Yes, okay, why the put the intersection? For the intersection and yes, for the intersection for the end. Okay, event A होगी एंड इवेंट B नहीं होगी. यहाँ पे इवेंट B ही होगी लेकिन इवेंट A नहीं होगी. ओके, लेकिन यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? बीच में इंटरसेक्शन आएगा कि यूनियन आएगा? यूनियन आएगा. क्यों? क्योंकि ये इवेंट भी हो सकती है और ये इवेंट भी हो सकती है. यस, का तो वो X न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ेगा और Y नहीं पढ़ेगा, और वो Y न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ेगा और X न्यूज़पेपर नहीं पढ़ेगा. यस, तो देयर इज अ इंटरसेक्शन intersection. Okay, sorry, union. There is a union. Okay, yes, now we have to find the probability for these three events easily. Yes, suppose the event A is that person read newspaper X. Yes, so the probability of the event A, P of A is equal to P of A is equal to 0.55. Yes, because they read a newspaper X. Okay, now event B is that person read newspaper Y, and this is denoted by probability of event B, and it is equal to probability that the read newspaper Y is equal to 0.69. Okay, then here the probability that the read both newspaper X and Y, and it is equal to 0.26. X and Y means the probability of the intersection of event A and B. Yes, and means the intersection. Yes, so this is give the probability of intersection of event A and B, and it is equal to 0.27. Okay, first event is that we have to read at least one of the newspaper X and Y. Yes, so our event is read at least one of the newspaper X and Y, and this event is denoted by as a union of event A and B. Yes, वो X भी रीड कर सकता है, वो सिर्फ Y भी रीड कर सकता है, और वो Y और X दोनों भी रीड कर सकता है. Yes, so this event is denoted by union of event A and B. Yes, so we have to find the probability of union of event A and B. Yes, and the equation is that P of A plus P of B and minus P of A intersection B. Okay, put the value P of A. P of A is equal to 0.55 plus P of AB is equal to 0.69 and minus 0.27. Okay, so it will be 0.69 minus 0.27 is equal to 0.42. Yes, 55 plus 0.42 is equal to 0.97. Yes, this is our probability. Okay, now second event is that does not read any of the newspaper X and Y. Yes, so this event is the complement of the event A. Does not read any of the newspaper X and Y. Okay, our event is that does not read any of the newspaper X and Y, and it is denoted by the complement of event 1, and the complement of event 1 means the event 1 is the A union B, then event B is the event 2 is the complement of the event complement of the A union B. Okay, so our second event is that complement of union of event A and B. Yes, so we have to find the complement of event union of event A and B. Yes, put the equation P A union B is equal to 1 minus P A union B. Yes, and we know the probability of the A union B, and it is equal to 0.97. Yes, so put the value is equal to 1 minus 0.97, and it is equal to 0.03. Done. Okay, now third event is that read only one of the newspaper X and Y. Okay, so this event is denoted by A intersection B dash, means ओनली एक ही न्यूज़पेपर रीड करना है, का तो X करना है का तो Y करना है. तो पहले ऐसा सोचते हैं कि वो X न्यूज़पेपर है वो रीड करता है और Y न्यूज़पेपर है वो रीड नहीं करना है. Our event A is that person read a newspaper X. Yes, so it is A. And our event B is that person read newspaper Y. Yes, so our event B dash is that person B is not read a newspaper Y. यस, सो यहाँ पे हम कह सकते हैं पर्सन है वो एक्स न्यूज़पेपर रीड करता है लेकिन वाई न्यूज़पेपर नहीं रीड कर सकता है. लेकिन उल्टा भी हो सकता है कि पर्सन है वो वाई न्यूज़पेपर रीड करता होगा और एक्स नहीं रीड करता होगा. यस, तो ये दोनों पॉसिबिलिटी आ सकती है. तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा और यस और कि ये दोनों में से कोई भी इवेंट हो सकती है. तो यहाँ पे हमने यूनियन लिखा हुआ है. क्लियर. सो दिस इवेंट इज डेनोटेड बाय A intersection B dash and union of B intersection A dash. Okay, now we put the formula for it. What is how we can find the A intersection B dash? By the P of A minus P of intersection of event A and B. Yes, and the union, and there is a union. Okay, so plus then P of B minus P of A intersection B. Clear. Now put the value is that P of A is equal to 0.55, clear, and minus P of A intersection B is equal to 0.27, and plus P of B is equal to 0.69 minus P intersection A and B is equal to 0.27. Okay, so put the value here. 0.55 minus 0.27 plus 0.69 and minus 0.27. Yes, so it is equal to 0.55. 0.27 and 0.27 is equal to 50, 72, 2, 4, 4 and 5. Yes, it is equal to 54. Yes, so minus 0.54 plus 0.69. Yes, so it is equal to 0.55 minus 0.54 is equal to 0.01 and plus 0.69. So it is equal to 0.7. Yes, clear? Okay, this is the probability for when event E is that read only one of the newspaper X and Y. Clear? Write down it, understand it. Okay, it is too simple. Clear? Okay, so keep practicing and we will meet you in next lecture.